Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can add clickable link in Facebook stories. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, also put likes. And let's get started. So, if you go to the Facebook app, and here, as you can see, you can add a story. If you use this feature on Facebook, unfortunately, there's no way to add a clickable link to a story. In order to do that, you would have to go to Instagram and post the story to Instagram, and then add it to Facebook. I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. So we go to Instagram, swipe to the left. Now we select the image for the story. And now to add the link, we click on the emoji at the top to go to a menu like this. Pause. We select the link here, and we can either paste the link if you've already copied it, or we can put some sort of address. Now we have a clickable link. Now we're going to wait a little bit. And in order to expose it to story with Instagram, you just click Next. You confirm the action. And in literally a couple seconds, stories are already in your Instagram. To add it to Facebook, you click on the story. And then you select Facebook at the bottom. And automatically the story will be added to your Facebook page, which is linked to Instagram. So we're going to go to Facebook. And as you can see, this story has already been uploaded to Facebook. If you want to delete the story, you'll need to proceed through Instagram. You click on the story, you click the three dots at the bottom. You click Delete Story. And here you can choose to delete the story from Instagram only, in which case it will stay on your Facebook. Or you can choose to delete the story from everywhere. I choose to delete everywhere. And now, as you can see, I don't have the story on Instagram. And if we look, I don't have a story on Facebook either. So that's how you can add a clickable link to Facebook stories. I hope this video helped you, was helpful to you, was useful to you. Be sure to write your comments, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to put your likes. See you next time.